Sacaton Ranch, 10 acres in Culberson County, TX. From $299 per month, only $500 reserve payment. Sacaton Ranch, consisting of 10 acres, sits just a few miles west of the charming town of Van Horn. This property offers the perfect escape from rising prices near the cities. If you are the outdoors type, this property offers some amazing opportunities for you. Go hunting. The rolling mountains and plains of Culberson County offer some of the best hunting in the state. Record-size aoudad and mule deer roam all throughout this area, as well as some of the state's best javelina and quail hunting. Go hiking across the skyline in all directions. You can see the stunning beach, Apache, and Wylie mountain ranges. If you don't mind a short drive, this property also sits very close to the well-known Baylor and Delaware mountain ranges. Build a home. This property offers the perfect opportunity to get away and build that off-grid home you have always dreamed of. If you don't like the idea of something permanent, the Apache Ranch offers the perfect opportunity to camp and have your weekend getaway. Every day is an adventure in Western Texas, and I can make this land fit your budget. No banks, no credit checks, no hassles. Simple land for sale in Culberson County, Texas. You can be a landowner before the snow flies. Do not let this one get away. Check all the info at vacantclub.com.